Robert got 85% on his math test. He answered 34 questions correctly. The question is, how many questions were on the test? So we're going to start by writing this out. He got 85%. So he got 85 out of 100 questions correctly. The number correct was 34 questions. So that's going to go on the top, and we need to figure out what the number on the bottom is. So there's nothing I can do to get from 85 to 34, but I could simplify this out. I can divide 5 out of both of these numbers. 85 divided by 5 is 17, and then I have over 20. And now I can look at it and think, what can I do to 17 to get to 34? And I can multiply that by 2. 17 times 2 is 34. 20 times 2 is going to be 40. And that's the number of questions on the test. There were 40 questions. And I can always check my answer by thinking, well, 34 divided by 40. 40 doesn't go into 34, but it goes into 340. That's going to be 8 times. 8 times 40 is 320. Subtract, I get 20. Carry a 0. Bring that down. 40 would go into 205 times, and that would be exact.